Hello family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohammed. Thanks for the 1k subscribers. Alhamdulillah. It's not by my power. It's not that I'm the one who have the good content or something like that. It's the power of Allah. So we give thanks and praises to Allah. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. We are here to talk about livestock farming. Okay. And what is your name, please?
My name is Mubarak.
Mubarak.
Yeah.
Okay. Mubarak,
Yeah.
what do you have for us about livestock farming?
Yeah. What I have for you guys here now is how to take care of these animals we taking care of.
Okay. So how did you start?
Oh, I started this work in year 2008.
Okay, 2008.
2008.
Okay.
I was with my brothers working
Okay.
because I was having my knowledge
Okay.
before I joined my brothers
Okay.
about these animals.
You were having the knowledge,
Yeah.
and you called upon your brothers
Yeah.
to let's
come,
do this.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay. Then you started,
So we started the work.
and you were serving your brothers.
I was serving my brothers in year 2010. I got my own farm.
Okay.
Which is called 6,000 farms.
6,000 farms.
Yeah.
I see.
So before I became myself, I started from melon farms.
Okay.
I was working with melon farms
Okay.
about 2 years.
I see.
After working with melon farms, 2010, I came back and came to get my own farms.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you served others
Yeah,
before yours.
Yeah.
How did you get the capital to start this business?
Oh, once you are with someone, if you have a clean heart with the person will get something for you to start something.
Okay.
Because from melon farms, I'm the one going up and down, getting the food for the animals.
Okay.
So melon farms too decided to see, oh no, this guy, I shouldn't leave him like that.
Okay.
I have to get some capital for him to start something.
Okay.
Because I was in school at that time.
Okay.
I was in school at that time, so he gave me something small. I bought a small cow and start rallying it in the melon farms.
I see.
I got myself, after I completed the school, I came back learning mechanic work.
Okay.
So within the mechanic work, I raised some small capital so that I could grow my farms to this level.
I see. So million farms and 6,000 farms are partners.
They are partners.
I see.
Yeah.
So if you want something at million farms,
If you don't have it, we can come back to 6,000 farms.
oh, I see. So that's good. Partnering with others is also
Yes.
good. You need to be partners to each other. Like, it's not about competition.
Yes.
You need to learn from each other.
Yes.
I see. I see. So when you started with one or two?
I started with one.
One. And you took care of the animal for some.
I sold it.
Okay.
After I sold it, I got to one died, and I was left with one, but I took care of that one. The next market day I went, I got three.
Okay.
So my animals was increasing, and now my farms, I have 20 cattle in my farms now.
Wow, 20.
20 cattle.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good business.
Yeah.
I see. You have only males. Why?
Yeah, I have males because the community we cannot put down females.
Yeah.
Because the females, they have to get more time to do because of the production.
Yeah.
If you don't take care of them well, they cannot produce well.
I see.
So if you are for business, you have to go for the male.
I see. I see. Okay, Mr. Mubarak, I'm someone who has no knowledge about the business, and I want to start. What advice will you give me?
The advice I have, if you want to join this business, you have to you have to follow someone for some advice,
Okay.
not for a long time. A short period of time, you can get all whatever we're doing here.
I see. So you learn from the
You
person.
and you learn from the person once when you are following him.
Okay.
Maybe if you don't know the price of the animal,
Yeah.
someone can call a price for you.
Mm.
For an animal, you see you have the money for the business, that the price is good for you. But it's not the matter of price,
Okay.
the matter of benefits you get from the animal.
Okay.
So you have to get yourself and know where you start from.
Okay.
When you go to market, how you bargain with the others
Okay.
to get the animals on
I see.
cheapest price.
Okay. I see. So talking of cheapest price, where do you get your animals from?
Oh, I go across all the markets. I go to Gupe, Akate,
Okay.
I go to Ashama,
Okay.
anywhere, any marketplaces, and I buy mostly my animals online.
Okay.
Yeah.
Online.
Yes,
How?
we have some joint stock farming group.
Okay.
So sometimes when someone has cows and you want to sell them, you can bring them to the group and
Okay.
post them.
Their pictures.
Yes. So
Okay.
if I see and I want, I'll talk to the person and I'll buy it from the person.
I see. I see. I see. So let's talk about the type of breed that you go for. Going to the market,
Oh,
what
going
type
to
of
the
breed do you
market,
get?
if if you are a beginner, I'll not advise you to go and get some of these cows
Okay.
like Budali.
Okay.
The Budalis they keep long before they pick up.
Okay. So you will not advise anyone
I'll not advise a
Any-
beginner
to
to
go-
go for Budali.
Okay.
Because when you get to the market, they are beautiful. So oh, this animal is beautiful, let me buy him.
Okay.
When you get home, you now see, oh, right now, 1 year, the animal has not taken up.
Okay.
2 years, it still skips your money down.
Okay.
But when you want money, you go for Kamakari,
I'm okay.
like this type. The other black and white animal.
Okay. Like
there.
this brown and white.
Like this brown and white, when you get to market, they will produce your money faster.
Okay. I'm a carry
Yes.
the black and white
The
there.
black and white there, and this white ones here.
I see.
And you see the bigger one there.
Okay.
This animal, when it came here, it wasn't right like this.
Okay.
But
You took care.
I took care of it and it came like this.
I see. So you will not advise anyone to go for Budali, a beginner.
Yes, a beginner.
Okay.
If you want something, you want to start the business anytime you get money, you go for the Kamakari.
Okay. Kamakari.
Yeah,
I see. I see. They produce fast.
they produce fast, they grow faster.
I see. I see. How do you feed them?
Oh, I feed my animals once a day.
Once a day.
Once a day, I feed them too in the evening.
Okay.
So when I come here in the morning, I don't have problem because they've eaten the whole night.
Okay.
So when I come in the morning, the ask is I'll get water for them.
Okay.
When they get water, they are okay.
You give them a lot of water.
A lot of water.
Do you add something to the water or you just give them?
Oh, there is medicine I can add, but I don't give them any medicine because we are in dry season. When you give animal medicine and you don't get food to eat, how do you want the animal to eat?
I see.
Because this time around, when we go out for food, we don't get plenty.
Okay.
So we have to manage it and give them.
Okay. The first one I asked you if I want to start as a beginner.
Yeah,
But this time I have the money.
yeah,
I want to start.
yeah.
What advice will you give me?
The advice I'll give you is you don't go to market just you have the money to buy animal. You just go and get any animal and come and put it down.
Okay.
You have to follow and know the animal you buy.
Okay.
You have to follow and know the animal you buy.
I see. Let's say I have the money. I'm working at some place. Let's say I'm working. I'm a teacher or a nurse or a doctor, or even I'm outside the country. I'm someone who is not in this country, but I want to do it. What advice will you give me?
The advice I have for you when you have someone who is in this business,
Okay.
well trusted person,
Okay.
You trust the person. You can tell the person, oh, I want to do this business, but I don't have time.
Okay.
So how are you going to do it? If the person is ready to help you, you tell you, you give me the money, I'll get you the animal
Okay.
and take care of it.
I see.
Because I have some animals here, belongs to people,
Okay.
and the people too are not at home.
I see.
So if anything, if I see any problem, I'll call the person and tell the person, oh, this animal is
Okay.
sick, your animal is sick, or your animal have some problem. So how are we going to do it?
Okay.
Or if you send money for medicine, you send, if I can treat the animal before you get money, I'll do it.
I see.
So this business is not up to if you have money, you can decide for yourself.
Okay.
You have to decide with someone who can help you,
Okay.
not someone who is not ready to help.
Okay. Someone who is willing to do the work for you,
Yes.
because it takes a lot of time,
Yes.
sacrifice.
Yes.
I see. I see. And you mentioned the types of animals that you go for, mostly the
Yeah.
Kamakari.
Yeah.
What of the Raji breed?
The Raji breed, when you want to put a Raji down and you have money, me, I would prefer, the advice I'll give you, I would prefer you to buy an old Raji,
Okay.
an old cow, which is Raji. That one he will pick up
Faster.
faster,
Okay.
and you will get your money on time.
Okay. I see. Let's talk about their disease.
Oh, okay. They have so many diseases,
Okay.
such as Serella,
Okay.
Safa,
Okay.
Tylosis, and all stuff.
I see. So how will I know that this animal is having a heart disease or sulfur or anything? How will I know?
When you start seeing some symptoms, will tell you this animal is having this kind of disease.
Okay.
Like Safa, like this Safa catches the leg
Okay.
of the animal and it catches the mouth.
Okay.
It's not give the animal appetite to eat. Sometimes when you come, you see saliva from the animal's mouth.
Okay.
Sometimes when you come to the animal is dull and lying down here and there. When you stand up from here, you get to here.
Okay.
So if anything like this you see, you have to know how you're going to do.
I see. Okay. So which type of animal do you usually go for? Is it the big ones, the small ones, or the medium size?
For now, when you get to market, the animals are costly. So you have to go for the animals you know in short time you get your money.
Okay.
So like this animal I've kept here, when they are here like 2-3 months time, I can take them off. And
2-3 months.
2-3 months time they can go off.
Really?
Yeah.
And you will gain something.
I'll gain something. 2-3 months I'll gain something and they'll go off.
Then you
Because
bring in another stock.
I'll bring in another ones. Because right now the system we are in Ghana here is a matter of money.
Yeah.
Someone wants to marry but you don't have plenty money.
Yeah.
So when he comes and you just analyze the price you bought the animals from the market and what you get from it, you just give it out. So these animals move faster than the big ones.
Okay. I see. The young ones.
The young ones.
Okay. What is your market target? Which people do you target?
I don't target billionaires.
Okay.
I target people like those.
Like me.
Yes.
Who doesn't have? Okay.
Because a millionaire will come, you call price for him, the person will say, oh no, this animal is not up to my target. I want something bigger.
Okay.
So the big animals in my fence here now, they are not up to even 3.
Okay.
In my fence. Yes.
But you have the young ones.
But the young ones are more than.
Okay. I see. Okay. You have the young ones.
Yeah.
Because of the people you want to save,
yes.
their market target.
Yes.
I see. Others to go for the big ones.
for their market target.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I
they
see.
have those who will buy. It's not like I don't have those who will buy the bigger ones.
Yeah, but
I
you also
have
want
it
to help
by-
others.
By I will not go and bring animal that will come and keep long.
Okay,
I want something today, tomorrow I can get my money
I
if
see.
I need it. Yeah.
That's what the tags. I've seen the tags.
Yeah.
Why? The blue tags.
It seems when you go around here, you see most of animals around. When my animal gets out right now, I have sheep and goats around.
Okay.
When I go outside right now, going to look for my goat. When I get my tag, I know this
Okay.
is my animal.
I see.
Yeah. That's why I give them the tag.
I see. That's good business. So, what do you have to say about this business in general?
Oh, what I have to say, youth, if you want to save more money, when you get into this business, you get money.
I see.
Yeah.
As a youth,
As a youth,
if you try this
when you
business,
try this farming business, anytime, anywhere you go, you are a billionaire. Not a Milo, a billo.
you were saying that if you're a youth and you venture into this business, you will be a billionaire.
Yeah.
Sweet to hear, but it's not easy.
Yeah. This way is a matter of time.
Okay.
Now, like this, I don't have anything doing. This is my work.
Your full-time job,
My full-time job. I'm here 24 hours.
taking care of your animals.
Taking care of my animals, going for their food. If I'm not here, I'm at home sleeping.
I see.
Yeah, this is my work I do. Bam, I'm a chief mechanic with certificate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But you are making more money here.
yeah. This is my source of income.
Are you married?
No, I'm a single man. I have a one. I have a kid.
That you are taking care of.
Yeah.
You also take care of the family
Yeah.
through this farming
Family
business. Wow. So talk to the youth. I'm not going to ask you any question. Talk to the youth. Tell them about farming. Because most of us, that's the purpose of this channel, like to encourage others to try it.
Yeah.
You see, when you talk about it, people like, oh, you are lying or something like that. You talk to them because there are people who watch my videos. So your heart out. Tell them something.
What I can tell the youth now is nobody should play.
Okay.
Any small money you get something done.
Okay.
Like these animals.
Okay.
Now when you get them down, it's not like you've just gotten your money, you've got to buy an animal. You have to take care of it for it to be an animal.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. So
These
this.
are my small animals too. I used to keep them.
Okay. The goats.
The goat and the sheep.
I see. So when one cattle is sick, you can even sell the goats to take care of.
Oh no, the goats are here just for fun. When I'm here, I can decide to kill one goat for us to chew.
So today, let's do it. Inshallah. Let's do it. I'm here. Hey, please come around. You're about to have some party. Mubarak. We need to have party today.
Yeah, today you have it.
Inshallah. Because my viewers also have to see it.
Yeah.
After killing the animal, we have to eat it.
Yeah.
Do a video for them to see that you are not lying to us. Okay. Before we end up this video,
Yeah.
how can the government help us as the youth? Sometimes they say we are lazy,
Yeah.
but here I've seen people working hard.
Yeah, it's true.
Since I started this interview, I've seen young guys trying their best to do something. In your opinion, what do you think the government can do to help us?
It's all about the capital, the money to start the business. That's the problem. If you don't have anyone to help you, keep on going around here and there, doing nothing, that will cause people to still prepare things.
Yeah.
Because here, when you see the young ones, we are those who are doing this work.
Yeah.
No elderly person doing this work,
Yeah.
unless us.
Yeah.
So what we can tell to the government is the government to see how he's going to help us to grow this farm. If he cannot give us capital, he can come and give us some medicine for us to treat the animals.
Yeah, that's true. But sometimes I've seen that a lot of farmers have lost trust in veterinary.
Yeah, because me as I'm here now, I cannot call veterinary to come and take care of my animal, because when the veterinary comes here and is coming to inject one animal, he will take you 150 cities per an animal. So if these 20 animals, veterinary is coming to take care of them, how much am I going to cost? So I have to learn from the veterinary when he comes once.
Okay. You have to be smart.
Yes, and learn from him when he comes.
I see.
Yeah.
So the government should help us with drugs.
Drugs.
At least drugs is okay.
Yeah. We cannot ask for capital.
Yeah.
We have to ask for the drugs, because drugs is not costly like that.
Like maybe if it's not free, maybe you should
Something
reduce the
small.
price.
Yes. something
They
small.
reduce the price of the drugs that you need.
Yeah.
Do you have like a farming association here or something like that?
No, we don't have farming association here.
We are all trying our best.
We are all doing ourselves. When you have some problem and you cannot solve, you come. If I have an idea, I'll help.
Okay.
If I don't, I'll tell you I don't have
I see. If you also need something, you go to the other guy.
The other side.
Wow, partnering with others. I like partnership. I like knowing people. You know, this business is all about partnership. So I encourage people, like, we need to know each other more.
Yeah.
That's why I've traveled from Takoradi to here.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not like there are no farmers there. There are farmers there, but I need to know different people and how different people do their things. Because anywhere I go, I pick up something different. Yeah. So I've been telling the viewers, you need to keep watching the video. Sometimes I will interview someone that you get to hear one thing that you have been looking for.
Yeah, that one.
So everybody uses different strategies to do their things. I see. So the pen, how did it cost you?
Which pen?
The pen that the animals are in.
I didn't take one day to do this.
Okay.
Before even I kept up this structure, it was a wooden something without structure like this.
Okay.
But recently, when things go well for us, and we did this.
I see.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. Nothing is easy.
Yeah.
Nothing is easy. So if
this fence alone costs almost like 8,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see.
8,000. Getting the wood, the roofings, it's not easy.
But small.
Everything is now in place.
Yeah, I can see that.
I have a motorbike. I have a car there.
You have a motorbike. You have a car.
Yes, for the business.
You have a car and a motorbike for the business.
The tricycle.
Wow, you guys are. Wow.
The blue car over there is small.
The blue.
The pickup. The blue pickup is
Did you get all this money from this?
These animals.
You guys are making money.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. I like that aspect. You have a car and a tricycle for the business.
Of course, when the tricycle just get breakdown, you just go for your car. You go wherever you want to go.
You bring your feed.
Feed and come and feed the animals.
Okay.
And this tank too is here for spare food.
Okay.
When you feed these animals and you get...
That means you guys, the way that's what I want to learn from everybody. The way you have taken this, you are not joking with it.
No.
You are not joking.
Yesterday my bike got spots. I have spare food. I give them. You see this afternoon they are here normal moving.
Yeah.
Like if they are hungry, you hear noise everywhere.
Yeah, I see. You have a spare tank.
Yeah.
In case your feet get short or something.
Yeah, you just give them.
Okay. Wow. I see. And you have the car too. You have the tricycle. Yeah. Wow. I need to learn from you guys. I need to learn like wow.
This work is not a matter of using more strength in this work. It's a
Okay.
matter of calculation and putting small money. You get your money.
Calculation.
Calculation and putting small money.
Wow.
I've followed big men. I've followed big men. I've worked over, but before I came to settle was the year 2008.
Yeah.
That was the year I came to settle myself with my brothers. But before then, I've followed big men with big monies.
Okay. So
I've
you
seen
learned.
money before.
You have
I've seen
learned.
money before.
You have seen
Yes,
money
yeah.
before.
I've seen money before.
Through this business.
Yeah, through this business.
Wow.
I have most of the allergies around here. All I've worked with them before.
So you have gained the knowledge and the experience.
This work, it has been a long time work, not a short time. So, if you've worked in a business in a long time, how are you going to do? So you have to continue that business, that same business.
You put in the work.
Yes, you put more effort to in the business. So everything will go better.
Wow. I see. I like the animals and I like everything. What I'm seeing here, the Raji.
Yeah, this
This one. That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Young one, no?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, as soon as you go in,
People are working hard. People are working hard. Okay, Mr. Mubarak, let's talk about the price. What's the least price here? I want you to give me.
The least price here I have here is 4,500.
The least.
Anyone can afford for it. The least price.
Huh?
The least price I have here is 4,500. Anyone can afford that one. Anyone.
So, on our level.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, let's close this interview. I know it's time for salat and stuff. Your last message to the viewers, those outside the country, those who will be watching the video.
Everyone who is going to look this video on the social media, I encourage the person to work hard to get more capital to do this work.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Thanks for your time, and I do appreciate it.